got a new week and new opportunities. So let's see, Monday going into this, we had a break of structure here. We respected this same fair value gap really good, really nicely, and we broke it here. Now we have a little fair value gap right here on the daily. So I'm waiting to see how it reacts off of this. So going into, let's say, a 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour, there's a fair value gap in that area as well, but nothing much else. 1 hour time frame. So speed it up to, here we go, 2 to 5 a.m. Got our kill zone. Seeing what happens here. So we get price accumulating as it does during Asia. We get a push down, which can be manipulation. So it's kind of like this: accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So on the last video I said I drew my range from here to here. So we're tapped into a discount pricing, the daily fair value gap. And now we've taken out all these stops. So what I did waiting for the London session, wait to see what's happening, and we get a push up here. We then get a 1 hour order block over here, and we have a 1 hour fair value gap as well, just in here. Small one, but powerful. Then we have on the 15-minute time frame, we can see we broke above here. So now that makes me bullish, and now I'm just waiting to see what happens when we tap into the point of interest. So keep waiting, and we get a really solid reaction, sweeping these highs over here. Sorry, these lows. So that shows me that price wants to go higher. So now moving to a 1 minute time frame. We have a big fair value gap on the on here. So what it might do, it might not reach 50%. In fact, it's very unlikely. And it might not even reach the 50% of this. But what I will want to see is a good reaction off of this. So I waited, price came and took out this low, and it actually did come to the 50% of this fair value gap. So that's perfect. And it's respecting this breaker block. Then we get price pushing up higher, breaks here, and then we get another fair value gap here. So this can be your entry basically when the price comes in and taps here. So I took this trade yesterday. For me, this was yesterday, and here on my Telegram channel you can see it. So JSnipesFX, so I closed buys, bought here. I was a bit late on the entry, and then yeah, got 5.8 R. So I entered a little bit higher. I was just late. So taps into here, this would be ideal, this entry point here, and then price shoots up and it moved very aggressively higher. So I was happy with my 5R because it was the first trade of the week, or 5.8R. I took my profit here. But what I would have liked to see is all this trendline liquidity getting taken out. So best case scenario, we target here. And that's exactly what price did. It just pushed up, took it out, and that was that. So beautiful trade there. London session, sorry, New York session didn't really offer too much. It didn't really follow any of my rules, so that's it. It happens. You might not get a trade during that time, but hey, it is what it is. Nice trade in London, and that was that. So yeah, let's keep this series going. I hope you guys are finding it useful, and if you do, please subscribe and like the videos. Peace.